Hi, my name is Stella. I'm one of the senior practitioners here at Pulse Sight Clinic, and today we're going to be talking about Coolsculpting. What is Coolsculpting? Coolsculpting is the only FDA approved form of fat removal, but also a sculpting treatment for the body. So what are the quickest areas to see results for Coolsculpting? So typically the chin and the brow fat area are the quickest results just because they're the closest to your lymph nodes. So for the chin, lymph nodes are here. It drains very nicely. So about 3 to 4 weeks after treatment, you'll see the first results. Same with the brow fat. Closest areas for your lymph nodes are in your underarms. Again, drains very nicely. Again, 3 to 4 weeks. Optimal results can be achieved up to 12 weeks post-treatment. What to expect when you come in for your Coolsculpting treatment. So on the day you'd come in, we will take some before pictures for you. So these are very important when you come back for your review so we can compare your results. During the treatment, we will mark you out. We will apply a skin protector on the skin. We also cleanse the skin thoroughly. We have special wipes for this. And then we place the applicator on. Everything that we're putting onto the skin beforehand prevents any damage to the actual skin and to the tissue underneath. Okay, so during the treatment, it can feel a little bit peculiar as the machine turns on because we are essentially numbing the skin with how cold it gets. So you can get a pins and needles sort of sensation. If you do areas like the chin, you can get a little bit of uncomfortableness at the back, but it dissipates after about 5 minutes or so, and the rest is relatively painless. So what to expect after the treatment? So the treatment itself is not painful. The massage after for about 5 minutes can be a little bit uncomfortable, and you can expect some bruising, some swelling to the area. This can last for up to a week sometimes, if not more, depending on how you bruise as a person. But you can still go about your daily activities. You can go to the gym, to the whack, and you're going to be absolutely fine. Okay, so how do we prevent any problems occurring to the skin during and post-treatment? So the machine itself does have a lot of safety features inside, meaning that it can only go to a certain temperature during the treatment. And if you do have any applicator pop-offs or anything, the machine does let us know, so it stops the treatment straight away. For optimal results, you need to be an ideal candidate for the treatment. So not everybody's going to be suitable. I mean, when I say ideal, I mean that if you have a healthy lifestyle, if your weight is already quite stable, if you're in the process of losing weight, then you will see results much quicker. Also, something to bear in mind is that depending on your expectations and your starting point, some clients do need more than one round of Coolsculpting. So what we usually do, you have your first session, we'd get you in for a review 12 weeks post-treatment, and then if we need to do maybe another round of Coolsculpting or applicators, then we can always do that for you. A treatment that you can do after you do your Coolsculpting if you're looking for maybe a toning treatment. So once you do the Coolsculpting, you've diminished the extra fat that you're carrying, then you can go into something called M-Sculpt, which is a toning muscle treatment, and this will help to tone and tighten your skin. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions or you'd like to get booked in for a free consultation, please click the link down below.